Hello everyone, my name is Seçil. This is my term project for EEE 102. And I will show a 7-segment display like this. It shows the distance between the object and the sensor. And now I will explain my project briefly. What my project is doing is when the object gets further, the monitor turns into red. When the object gets closer, the monitor turns into green. My project contains range sensor, VCA, and 7-segment display. First, let me introduce my range sensor module. I will explain briefly. It basically sends a trigger signal and it calculates distance between the object and the sensor by using the time interval. Result is converted to decimal by using BCD converter. Actually, my module uses double-double algorithm, and I send the output of this module to the SSD and VCA drivers and 7-segment driver. It is really basic. Actually, SSD driver has only a mux and the decoder, and VCA driver. Actually, it sends green signal high when object gets closer and red signals high when the object gets further. It also sends VS and HS to create a connection between the signal that I send and the monitor. Lastly, I will explain my distance VCA module. It's actually my last module. I use it to determine the behavior of the object. It contains the flip-flop and it compares current distance with the previous distance by using this flip-flops output and input. All of them are my modules and my project briefly.